Hi, my name is Angel from Wolfeye.de. Welcome to the next video. So, insider risks, they don't always come from bad intentions. Sometimes they start with a small mistake. Maybe someone copies sensitive data, uses a personal USB drive, or shares client files by accident. Wolfeye Remote Screen, the software that I will show you here right now, is not able to stop these actions directly, but it helps you, and this is what I will show you here, it will help you to see them early before they turn into serious incidents. This video, I will show you how Wolfeye helps to detect insider risks through live monitoring of the remote screens of in your company, and through using screenshot history for each of the computer that Wolfeye is installed. So you will see the live screens on a dashboard for each of the computer in your company, and you will be able to record screenshots to be able to review them and be prepared. So this visibility will allow you to create awareness, accountability, and most importantly, prevention through early detection. This is what Wolfeye Remote Screen offers to you. So let's see and open the dashboard. What you see here is basically the dashboard, the dashboard, because again, before I will go to the dashboard and will show you what you will get using Wolfeye Remote Screen in a second. This is, by the way, the demo dashboard. That's why you see the demo password here. You also could visit this and see what you get, because most data breaches in security, they start inside a company, often by accident, and with Wolfeye, you will be able to early identify unusual activity or access patterns. It will allow you to review screenshots to spot potential data misuse and gain visibility before small problems become big risks. So again, Wolfeye is not a full threat prevention system by itself, but gives you the transparency and early warning that every company needs. By seeing in real time, but also screenshot history, you will be able to protect your data and respond early. So let's see. What exactly is it that Wolfeye Remote Screen gives to you? You install Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your company's computer. And later, maybe if we have time, I show you how quick it is, how fast you will be able to install it. And then you will get your dashboard like this. You log into your dashboard. Here the password is 12345, of course. You will get your own password, or you will set your own password. You log into the dashboard, and this is how it looks like, the screen. Basically, for each of the computer, in this example, this is a demo dashboard, it's 5 computers, you see the live computer screen of each of the computers in your company. A live computer screen means basically a screenshot updated every 3 seconds, every 2 to 3 seconds. A screenshot every 2 seconds is made and uploaded to the server, so to speak. That's what you see here. That's why you see the live screen always, with a 2-second or 3-second lag, of course. That's what you see. Here you have the possibility to change how many columns, if you wanted to see the screens bigger, or 3 columns, so that you can monitor, overview more screens at the same page at the same time in one screen. If you had several screens, you could even see more, oversee more computers. And this is what you get, and that will allow you by from time to time being able to see what they do without them noticing everything. They will not notice that you are able to see their screens. You will be able to be informed early about unusual activity to prevent potential bad outcomes in future. And not only that, this is the live screen that you see. This, of course, this is a demo picture. In reality, you will see the computer live screen. You can, for each of the computers, right mouse click on the link that says history. Right mouse click and you get the screenshot history. Here is only a demo, of course. You can change here how many screen pictures you want on one page. And you get the screenshot history. Every 5 minutes a screenshot is made, but of course the interval you set it by yourself, so that you get informed about what's happening. You can check, and that will give you early warnings if something happens. So I ask you, come to our website, wolfeye.de, wolfeye.de, and start a free trial. You hit start free trial and book a demo session with me. It's basically with me. You book a demo session by selecting here the day and the time that you would like. Enter your name, your email, your phone number, and how many computers you plan approximately only. How many? Are we talking about 5, 10, 50, or 100? We don't have a limit, basically. Up to 1,000 computers you could monitor, and we schedule a Google Meet session. In that Google Meet session, I will share my screen and will demonstrate the software to you, how it works. So we will give you access to my dashboard, as you saw here, and you will see my live screen basically, so that you exactly know what you get. That's the first step. The second step, if you want to test it by yourself, I can guide you. Can share your screen only if you want it, and I can guide you through the installation process, telling you do this, do that next, for 1 to 2 computers. This will only take a few minutes, 3 minutes or anything, yeah? And that will enable you to be able to quickly set up and install Wolfeye by yourself for the remaining computers. You install it on all the computers that you would like to install it, so that you are sure and are able to see what you will get, how it works, if you like it, if it serves you, if it helps you. And you test it for a few weeks. You test it for a few weeks to know if it's really, you will be, and you will like it, you will love it, you will see it. Yeah. So please come to our website. I will post the link to the demo session here below the video. Schedule a Google Meet session with me. It's with me, and I will do a quick, a short demo session with you. You can also write me a WhatsApp, by the way. It's more my WhatsApp number, but of course you can also call me. And that's it. So I hope this helps. I'm happy to see you in a Google Meet session, and we see us in the next video. Have a nice day.